Mila's English Class and School presents Daily Phrase Dose. Kill two birds with one stone. To accomplish two tasks or achieve two goals with a single action or effort. Combining errands. I can kill two birds with one stone by picking up groceries on my way to the post office. Multitasking at work. By attending the conference, I can kill two birds with one stone, learn about the latest industry trends and network with potential clients. Health and leisure. Walking to the park kills two birds with one stone. I get exercise and enjoy the outdoors.
Education and socializing. Joining a study group kills two birds with one stone because I get help with my homework and spend time with friends.
Look at these examples in contextual sentences.
People do it all the time.
I figured I'd kill two birds with one stone.
Clever Perry. Killed two birds with one stone.
Yeah, kill two birds with one stone.
Kill two birds with one stone. I got
Using Ted, I say we kill two birds with one stone.
Thought I'd kill two birds with one stone.
Even better! Two birds with one stone!
Please like, comment and subscribe for more English learning videos.